Ladies, I'm shook. Softer, shinier, healthier hair while flat iron? Just keep watching. First of all, can we just get into these steam irons? You guys, they are so amazing. I got them from my favorite pop-up shop for $6. When I saw them, I had to snatch them up, and I am so happy that I did. I tell you what, they are very similar to the L'Oreal Steam Pods. I'll place a picture so that you can see what those look like. But this is a carrying case, and it's so beautiful and luxurious. It's silver and it's lined. And this is the steam iron, you guys. It's white, it's gorgeous, and it's very lightweight. And this is the area right here where you would enter your distilled water. There's a bottle that came with it. I don't have it at the moment, but you fill that reservoir with water and you just snap it back in. And once you plug it in, there's the power, the steam button, and you can turn it up to 450 degrees. And yes, it works amazing. I am in love with these steam irons, you guys. Like I said, they're insulated. I do let them cool before I place them back in the bag, and then you just seal them up. You always know where they are. And yes, I think they are simply amazing. I love the way they flat iron my hair. It definitely does make a difference in the texture of your hair. It changes the texture. So check it out. Hey guys, you guys can already see from the title of the video that I'm going to be flat ironing my hair. This is the first time that I've done it since I've had the wolf cut. It's going to be interesting, and what I'm going to be using today is a steam iron. I'm so excited to see how that goes, and I'm not just going to act like I'm just coming up here talking to you guys and I'm getting used to these veneers. I got some veneers. So moving right along. You guys, I saw Brie Hall do a video on how she used her steam iron. I think it was a L'Oreal iron, and it's not L'Oreal. Puritan, I don't know how to say that. This iron, wonderful. I love it. I just tried it and tested. The only difference with her flat iron is that it had a comb attachment, and mine does not have a comb attachment. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and try this side with the steam. See the steam coming out? This side does feel softer. It feels softer. Let's go ahead and get started, okay? So you guys, there is a big difference between steam straighteners and just regular flat irons when it comes to hair care. You will need to use smaller pieces of hair between the plates for their best results, but a steam straightener is safer for your hair, and it gives better quality results for your hair. And the shine is simply amazing. You guys, you'll see here as I'm going through my hair, look at that shine and look at the body. And the best thing I could say too is that it leaves your hair with life. It doesn't just make it where it's flat to your head. It has a body to it, but it's straight, it's silkier, it's softer. I am in love with these flat irons, you guys, with the steam, and it's also healthier for your hair. Now here's a comparison where I used a regular flat iron a while ago, and look how lifeless my hair is. Yes, it's silky straight, but look at the difference. It is flat and lifeless. So I also noticed that it did change the texture of my hair. It was silky smooth. It's so much more smoothing than a regular flat iron. I can't even tell you. You definitely have to give this a try. I wore my hair all week straight, and it still is just as soft and moisturized. It's like it leaves moisture in your hair. I can't really explain it. It straightens it without drying it out. There were definitely humid days, and my hair is super frizzy. It's very frizzy. It is easy to frizz, but it did not frizz up, you guys. I can't really explain it, but it's like the moisture is in your hair, and the moisture from outside didn't really affect it, the best way I could say. And I have grades from type 3B, I'm sure ranging to 4A. And I absolutely love the way it worked. And Bree Hall says that she has type 4 hair. If you haven't seen her video and you have type 4 hair, I recommend you go check hers out, because yes, it turned out beautifully. You guys, I'm not going to talk all the way through this video, but just sit back and enjoy and watch out and see how the results turned out. These are pretty much my end results. When I tell you my hair feels so soft and so shiny, I am in love with it. What I did was went ahead and just wrapped it to let that silk shine soak in a little bit. And then once I took the wrap down, these are my end results for my thumbnail. You guys, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Leave a comment down below. Let me know if you've tried any steam irons before. They're definitely a game changer. I mean, my hair stayed like this all week, other than the curls. I just wrapped it at night, but I fell in love with it. Leave me a comment down below, and hopefully I'll be seeing you in my next video. Take care.